guys, hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. If you are here for the first time, aquaba to this platform, my name is Adwoa, and on this channel I teach you basic Twi vocabulary and give you some basic Twi lessons as well. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's just go ahead and do this video. So in today's video, it's going to be plain and simple. I am going to be teaching you how to express your feelings in Twi, okay? So I'm just going to be giving you like 10 different sentences, or just the 10 general kind of feelings that we usually express. So saying I am sad, I am happy, I am scared, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, all those things, we're going to be doing that right here. So let's just go ahead and go straight to the point. If you want to say that you are happy, okay, you are happy, or if you want to say I am happy, you would say meni agye. Meni, eni as eyes, okay, has collected. If you say it, if you translate it directly from Twi to English, it doesn't make sense. But if you want to say I am happy, you would say meni agye. Okay, meni agye, meni agye. My eyes have collected. Literally, that is what it means. But if you want to say I am happy, you say meni agye. If you want to say she is happy or he is happy, you would say neni agye. Neni agye. Okay, neni agye. But if it's I am happy, you would say meni agye. Meni agye. Okay, if you guys don't know about, or you don't know how to use the pronouns, I think I have a pronoun video, so you can just go ahead and check it out. It's just a matter of you just replacing like I, you, he, she, they, just replacing that, or just putting that in front of the word, which is Anigyes. So the word for happiness is Anigyes, and to say that I am happy, you say meni agye. Okay, now if you want to say that I am overjoyed, okay, so overjoyed, you would say meni agye aburoso. Meni agye aburoso. Now aburoso or aburoso means it has just surpassed, it's just too much, it has just overflowed, it's just over the top. Okay, aburoso, it's just over the top. So if you want to say I am overjoyed, then you would say meni agye aburoso. Okay, now if you want to say that you are sad, or you want to say I am sad, okay, I am sad, then you would say mere aho. Mere aho. Okay, me wure, it's wure, okay, me wure aho, but then we make it very short and say meraho. Meraho. If it's he or she, you say ne raho. Ne raho. Okay, meraho, ne raho. Okay, okay, this might be quite difficult, but yeah, it's a matter of just practice. Okay, the fourth one is to be angry. I remember teaching kids and making all these facial expressions and all these sounds. But if you want to say that you are angry, or I am angry, like angry, angry, stomp, 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 you would say me buefu. Me buefu. Okay, my chest has grown. Okay, efu, my chest has grown. And we actually have this joke when usually when somebody's angry, you go like, well, if you're angry, just get a cutlass and just weed your chest. Like, just because literally when you say mibuefu, it means like your chest has grown, but has grown in terms of, you know, when a plant grows, or when you have like a forest and you have weeds that grow. Yes, that is what it means, like efu in terms of you have like hair growth, weed, yeah, those things, plants just growing. So mebuefu is literally my chest has grown. If you want to say that you are scared or afraid, like I am scared, I'm afraid, you would say misro, me suro, me suro, misro. Okay, misro. But if you want to say something like, oh my god, you startled me, or like something happens and like, you know, you just somebody just startles you, you would say miyem asheme, like miyem asheme, which literally translates into my stomach has burnt me, like my stomach has just caught fire, my stomach has just burnt me. Yeah, literal translation. But yeah, that is just, you know, when you have that feeling, it's just like you have something burning in your stomach, and that is how we express like startleness, or how we express that kind of feeling when somebody just, you know, just startles you. You say miyem ashim. Okay, I hope that is clear. I hope I'm not confusing you guys, but yeah, the next word or the next phrase is I am tired. Okay, this of course is something that we are all used to, tiredness. Now tiredness by itself is what is tiredness? I'm a breath. So tiredness is a breath or obre, depending on where you're from. Some people would say obre, some people would say ebre. Okay, I say ebre, I never say obre. But if you want to say that I am tired, you would say ma bre, ma bre. Okay, ma bre, I am tired. But I'll probably do like past tense and how you you know, how you work with past tense, because in Tree it's all about the intonation. It's everything is basically written almost the same. It's how you pronounce it that makes a difference. So how you pronounce it allows people to tell if you're talking in the present, in the past, in the continuous form. It's just that way. But just put it in mind that if you want to say that you are tired, or you want to say I am tired, you say ma bre, ma bre. Okay, ma bre. If you want to say that he or she is tired, then you will say wa bre, wa bre. Okay, wa bre, ma bre, wa bre. We are tired is ya bre, ya bre. Okay, I hope that is clear. If you want to say I am sleepy, okay, I am sleepy, I am sleepy, you would say menikum, menikum, menikum. My eyes kum. I don't know how to explain kum, enikum, but the word actually sleepiness is enikum. Okay, enikum. So if you want to say I am sleepy, you would say menikum, menikum. Okay, next word is I am shocked. So if something shocks you, okay, and you just are shocked, you would say me hu dreaming. Me hu is my body. My body has just frozen. My body has just, you know, just experienced some kind of shock. Okay, so you say me hu a dreaming. Me hu a dreaming. Okay, me hu a dreaming. Dreaming. Okay, I hope that is clear. If you also want to say you are heartbroken, oh my god, somebody broke your heart or something happened and you're heartbroken, then you would say makomate. Makoma. Akoma is heart. Okay, makoma ate. My heart has torn. My heart has torn. If you want to say somebody has broken your heart or he broke your heart, like wate makoma, wate makoma, wate makoma. That is to say, he has broken my heart or she has broken my heart. Wate makoma. But if you want to say, the next one is to be hungry. Now, if you're hungry and you're famished and you're hungry, you would say ekom deme, ekom deme. Okay, ekom deme or ekome deme, ekome deme or ekome deme. Okay, yeah, ekom is hunger. Is doing me. Hunger is doing me. Edeme. Okay, but yeah, it doesn't really translate well in Tree. But then if you're hungry, you'd say ekom edeme, ekom edeme. Okay, and the last one is if you are thirsty. If you are you would say insukom deme, insukom kom edeme or insu kom deme. Insu is water, so it's insuo. Water, it's insuo. You're saying you're hungry for water. No, it's like water hunger, okay? Yeah, water hunger. And so you say insukom, which is water hunger, is doing me. So insukom deme. Insukom deme. Insu meaning water, a kom is hunger. So insukom deme. Okay, so these are, I think, 10. I don't know if they're 10 or if they're 11, but yeah, these are the basic ways of expressing how you feel in Chi. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you guys in